Hi, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and this video is for administrators of organization accounts with Ellii Solo. I'll be showing you how to create accounts for your students so that they can access Ellii Solo on their own. So let's get started. Once you have logged into your administrator account, click Everything at the top and click Classroom from the left-hand side. From here, click the Students tab. On the left-hand side, click Manually Create Accounts. There are two ways to manually create accounts for your students. You can create usernames and passwords, or you can use the key code option that requires no password to log in. If you would like to create usernames and passwords for your students, click the link that says Click Here. Type in your student's first and last name and create a username for them. Then create a password. If you would like, you can add the student's ID. This step is optional, however, it is useful if you choose to export reports. Once you're all set, click the blue Create Account button. A pop-up will then appear on the screen with the username and password you created for your student. Share this information with your student and direct them to ellii.com/students to log in. If you would like to use the key code option, after you click Manually Create Accounts, stay on the page that you land on. Enter the student's first and last name and then click Create Account. The site will create a 6-digit PIN for your student to use when they log in. Once the account is created, you'll see it at the bottom of your screen. You can then give your student the key code the site created for them and direct them to ellii.com/key to log in. On their end, they'll type in their key code and their last name to log in. Once logged in, they can click Ellii Solo to proceed. Using the key code option also allows you to manually create multiple accounts at a time. If you have a CSV file with all of your students' names, you can drag and drop that file into the space here. The site will then automatically create key codes for each of your students. To see the template for this CSV file, or to use the one we provide, click Download Template. You can also check out the video called How to Manually Create Multiple Accounts for more information. That's it for this video on how to create student accounts for Ellii Solo. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.